Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be doing your spelling list for the first few lessons. So get ready to get your new spelling words going here. And for that, you're going to need this page. Hopefully you can see it. It is your spelling study list, Unit 3, List 1. It should have been with the materials that you just picked up on February 1st. So look in that bag of materials. There should be 3 pages stapled together for your 3 different spelling lists. So please look for that, pause the video, and come on back when you're ready. For this first group of spelling words of this unit, plural forms can be created by following regular spelling patterns. So this is the page that we're working on. You're going to use your best handwriting, and we're going to start with regular singular nouns. That means we are talking about people, places, and things, and there is one of them, and they have regular spelling rules. So the first word is match. Say it with me, match, and write it down. Next is night. Glass. Fox. Story. Baby. Write those words down in your very best handwriting on your paper, 1 through 6. Notice some of the endings. We have CH ending, just a T at the end, an SS, an X, and some Y's. To form the plurals of regular nouns, you add an S or you add ES. We've already talked about some of the endings. So when a word ends with a consonant Y, you change the Y to an I and then add ES. So for example, baby becomes babies. Colony becomes colonies with an IES. Use the suffix ES for nouns that end with a hissing sound, so SS. So those words that end with SS, you add ES at the end. When it ends with CH, like match, you just add ES. And X, like fox, you add ES. So here we go. Match becomes matches. Night becomes nights because it doesn't have any of those other endings that we just talked about. Glass becomes glasses. Fox becomes foxes. Story becomes stories. And baby becomes babies. Pause the video if you need to. If it helps you, underline the CH, the SS, the X, and the Ys to help you realize and understand what the spellings are. The next set of nouns are irregular nouns. This means that the plural form of these words cannot be created using any of the regular patterns. We can't just add a suffix onto the end of it. So let's take a look at this video about plural nouns.
Mom, can I play with the iPair? Please? Thanks, Mom.
More than one person makes a group or a crowd of people. More than one goose or geese in a group called a gaggle. We can have one thing and give it a name, but if we have more than one, it's not the same. Then why isn't sitting on a stool like sitting on a steeple? Why can't the plural of house be heist? And the plural of foot is feet. And the plural of tooth is teeth. The plural of goose is geese. Why can't the plural of moose be meese? That's quite wrong. A drop of water ends up as pouring rain. And a stream of water can end up flooding the drain. Do I mind that my mind is in my brain? Are my thoughts always racing like a railway train? I can't keep track when a word's not a word but a game. Well, the plural of wife is wives, and the plural of life is lives. So if the plural of mouse is mice, why can't the plural of house be heist? And the plural of foot is feet, and the plural of tooth is teeth. The plural of goose is geese. Why can't the plural of moose be meese? And the plural of foot is feet, and the plural of tooth is teeth. Keep brushing. The plural of goose is geese, and the plural of moose is moose, not meese. Now you got it.
Okay, so we can see there that we're talking about nouns that don't follow these easier spelling patterns. So here are our irregular singular nouns. Child, man, woman, goose, mouse, louse, tooth, foot, person. So now we're going to look at the irregular plural nouns of these words. So one child, when we have more than one child, we have children. We have one man, but many men. One woman, many women. One goose, many geese. One mouse, many mice. One louse, lots of lice. One tooth, lots of teeth. One foot, 2 feet. One person, many people. Go ahead and make sure that you have the singular nouns written down and the irregular plural nouns. Pause the video, write down the words in your neatest handwriting. Your challenge words, boys and girls, are words that are used often in reading and writing, but don't follow regular spelling patterns. Read the following sentences that use this week's challenge words with me. Please complete this exercise to learn to spell. You exercise when you play soccer. So your first challenge word is exercise. His new joke made me laugh out loud. AU is a rare spelling of the A sound. So exercise and laugh are your 2 challenge words. Write them on the line. And boys and girls, make sure that you're practicing these spelling words. I will make a flippity for you to practice, but also make sure that you're practicing on your own at home, and we'll do some brain buster activity sheets as well.